I love it when a plan comes together. I got a significant, horrible, terrible, no good, very bad hydraulic leak on this crane truck, which is one of the reasons I was able to buy it so cheap. And I don't have what's known as a gland nut wrench to take this cylinder loose, so I had to make one out of a piece of 1/2 inch by 4-inch strap, a few feet long. My holes that I measured and drilled didn't quite line up with the nut holding the bolt, so I took the nuts off, and it's just enough play, and it's just close enough for it to work. Most of these gland nuts are 3/8, I think 3/8 of an inch is the smallest they go, so I used a couple of grade 8 1.5 by 3/8 bolts to get that like it is, so yay for that. I saved $100 or so buying a gland nut wrench. I spent about $120 on this spanner wrench. So with a spanner wrench, your pin lug is what they're known as well. Your pin goes into that lug. These are 3/8 as well. See, and there's my horrible leak. So these are aluminum gland nuts on a steel cylinder off a 1990 model-ish IMT crane. So everything's American made and SAE. So if the aluminum wasn't embedded in the oil there, it's got an O-ring in there, and you can look at this seal and see how horribly it's cracked maybe. So I've got to take these seals apart. They sell a kit if you've got a tag on the crane mast where it's supposed to be, which I don't. I looked on the internet and I got a part number for a seal kit. It's about $205, but there's a hydraulic seal O-ring shop that I can go to town. So I saved $100 on that wrench, about $125, $150 an hour on labor for putting that together, and maybe $150 or more on just going to get the seals myself. So if you save it, you make it. And not only that, but if you save the money, you don't have to make it and pay taxes on it. So yay for that. So for my next magic trick, I got to take this other gland nut loose, disassemble, take the rods out of this telescoping cylinder, and get the seals off and go to town. So yay for that. Party on, Wayne.